I was awake at about a few minutes after 1 on June 18th, and the rain was coming down, and then there was a huge crash. And when I got up, I found out that a tree had fallen down, and there was a huge hole in the ceiling of the room where I keep my computer, and the water was pouring down. I couldn't expect them to do a better job. They arranged everything for me. They kept me informed every step of the way, and they checked on me. I have nothing but praise for them. This was the first time that I'd had a catastrophe like that, and I didn't know what to do, but they guided me. Well, I have a brand new roof now that is a very high quality, and my previous roof was 20 years old, so I certainly am not complaining. It's added quite a bit of value, I think, to the house.